You look good.
You look great.
Yeah, thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. This is Hui from RZE and Ivan from VARIO Watches.
Yep.
So we're in between shows here in Los Angeles, sunny Long Beach, between Intersect and Minutes and Hours, and we're pleased to present to you our landmark collaboration between our two brands. It's the trench watch in UltraHex titanium. Go ahead, Ivan, would you like to share a few things about our collaboration?
Yeah, I think what was interesting is, two Singaporean brands coming together, doing I think it's the first one for RZE and it's the first watch brand collaboration for VARIO as well. So I thought that was pretty interesting. And then what I think what made this happen is taking the VARIO classic trench design and with RZE's titanium watch, fusing it together. What do you think?
Absolutely. I think there's a perfect synergy here for our landmark collaboration as watch brands. One of our focuses at RZE is the 3 Ps, which are people as well as the planet and our product. And rather than just making a product, we wanted to bring together a classic timeless piece which will last a lifetime and include people like Ivan. There's a synergy between him and our brand and Travis as Singapore brands and individuals who share the independent space and have shared ideas. It's very unique in this collaboration that we're fitting our niche perfectly and that we're delivering something that neither of our brands offers initially.
Sounds good. For VARIO, we are sort of like a time reimagined. So this is a reimagination of a classic design with modern materials, right? Do you want to talk a little bit about the materials?
Absolutely.
I like the RZE medallion yellow.
Yeah, so you'll see that in our collaboration, we have this iconic bun strap in the 37mm variant of the trench watch. Choosing the 37mm version makes it incredibly versatile, and Ivan offers a various number of options to show off your style, like clip straps. So don't be shy about the bun strap. It definitely can be part of your personality if you just give it a go. So something really unique is that it comes with this yellow and enamel dial, which is something that's become iconic in our Resolute collection. The color is our hero color, of course, and in the enamel finish is one of our most popular finishes in our Resolute collection over time. I find that it's timeless and draws back to some of those iconic field watches and those railway watches from the early 1900s. That enamel is something that is really classy and can't be replicated. That high gloss and timeless appeal with the puffy lume is just incredible. Looks fantastic in the titanium here.
Yeah, and I'm wearing the Damascus. So this is titanium and Damascus. So you can't see this in detail, but we'll show you the shots, the close-up later. But this one is very interesting. The texture on the dial, it gives it a shimmer. And this one is pretty interesting as well. You can't see the lume carbon fiber right now, but the texture is beautiful as well.
Yeah, the two other high-end, or I guess unique dial materials here that we have with the Damascus and the forged carbon are really unique modern materials that we bring to this historic collaboration,
which I would never have used for VARIO. So it's a good one.
Absolutely, and combined with the UltraHex is something where we're on the modern part of watchmaking, bringing together that classic aesthetic as well as that classic utilitarian approach. When we look at the Damascus, it also nods to our adventurous spirit in the area of EDC and everyday carry. We see a lot of things that are Damascus and Damascus, and what's incredible is that when we look at this collection, that shimmer actually looks like one of the most vintage pieces among this collection, whereas when you look at the yellow, it's something that you would not see commonly in enamel in a historic piece. And of course with the forged carbon with the party trick, you can see something really unique that you wouldn't expect under light. So I hope you look forward to seeing that in the press photos online. You can see a new collaboration post, hands-on review with a blog to watch. Ripley Sellers had an opportunity to have a hands-on.
There'll be YouTube videos as well coming. Yeah.
There'll be YouTube videos coming, and tonight we're going to be showing it off one last time. We won't be here for minutes and hours, but
I'll be here for minutes and hours.
Yeah,
I'll help to show this.
Absolutely, and so we'll be able to show this off in person one last time tonight here in Inglewood, and then this weekend, minutes and hours with Ivan. So thanks again. We hope that you'll be able to take a look at our collaboration and that you'll enjoy it as much as we enjoyed working together on it. We're celebrating Singapore's 60th anniversary in August, and there will be an event there, as well as we'll be shipping it later in August.
Yep, sounds great.
Thanks, Ivan.
Thank you.